Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. This is Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. This is my new series, What Would You Do With This Layout? Please leave comments below. I would love to hear from you. Okay, and for the object of this run out is ball in hand, and you must leave the 8 ball for your last shot. Alright, so here I am, ball in hand. I made the 10 ball. Now a simple follow off the rail. Get myself positioned on a 3 ball. I'll do a follow 2 rails. Now I have position on the 2 ball. It's a long shot, but it's definitely makeable. Again, another follow shot. Now I have position on the 1 ball. It's a little bit of a difficult shot in the side pocket from where the 1 ball's laying. Left myself a little tough on the 13 ball. And now to make the 8 ball. In this situation, I would love to know what you would do with this particular layout of the table. Please leave comments below. I would love to hear from you.